Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, May 15th, 2024, and we are going down with the market. We're looking for about a 75 cents to a dollar drop. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. 555, inverted H, wide state, inverted H. As you can see on the left-hand side in my matrix, the price is jumping all over sporadically. That's because we bought a 73 delta. So if you go up to the bid and ask area over here, you can see that the spreads are wide and then they get tight again and wide and get tight again. So just keep in mind, if you were to trade a higher delta like us, you're going to get paid very well, but the fluctuation in price is going to be faster and it might need time to catch up with the actual underlying price of the asset that you're trading. Now normally we would punch out, but the contracts on the options hasn't caught up with the actual underlying asset. So we're going to just wait a couple minutes, and here hopefully soon we'll see a price spike on our contract value. As you can see now, the contract is actually catching up to the price. So let's punch out at $910, ladies and gentlemen.